the people. I have loved many of my clients. One of my clients calls me quarterly to check in on me. Another one sends me updated emails with photos of her son. So that has been a huge part of what I love about my job.
I really have gotten the most satisfaction by far out of legal aid work because of the impact that we have on our clients' lives. We make such a huge difference in their quality of life. My career at Rhode Island Legal Services when I was a staff attorney was on SSI. He was elderly, lived by himself, very sweet guy, had no money, and he was received some notice, I think, that he was no longer disabled. And I represented him in making sure he could continue to get his disability checks. He was so grateful to me. He gave me one of my favorite ever client gifts, a thank you card with a Canadian penny framed in a little coin holder. That's all he could afford, and I still have that penny.
The most important thing is actually righting wrongs. So often we hear stories and read in the newspaper of things that have gone wrong, things that we hear, and it's horribly sad. And what legal aid does is it allows us to actually do something about it.
The amazing group of people I've gotten to work with throughout the years who are just dedicated to improving the lives of our community members, from former coworkers and current coworkers to judges, tribal attorneys, community advocates, social workers, just a real dedicated group of people giving back to service.
The most valuable part of working in legal aid is the staff and their vision to make change for clients and the communities we serve every single day. They are the most optimistic people I've ever met in my life, and they do their work that is challenging and difficult with optimism to change and move that needle of poverty each and every day.
I am a native Washingtonian, so I was born here in this city, and I'm very much invested in the community. And so being able to do this work in this community has meant so much to me, because I think that to the degree we assist people that are residents of the District of Columbia, then it makes for a richer community base. And so that's meant a lot.
The young attorneys that I've been able to mentor over the years who are now working for legal aid at other organizations and doing amazing work. And I love sort of seeing that this cycle where I was able to mentor them and bring them along, and now they are out there doing their own amazing things and helping people.